Welcome back to Client Solutech. What is font? How to use font and how to install Google Fonts or any type of fonts in computer and to use it in Microsoft Word. So let's see. Let's select any type of text and here are the fonts. Fonts. Font is a face of text. How you style it, a styling, a typography is called fonts. These are the fonts and it is used to highlight important points and things, and fonts really matter in various document. If it's a business document, then font have to be little professional, and if it's a personal document or happy birthday wishes or banner, then the font need to be changed. So all types of, there are various types of font already in Microsoft Word that you can use, but let's see how you can download the fonts from internet or from or Google Fonts and then use it them in Microsoft Word. So open your web browser and search for Google Fonts. Once you searched for Google Fonts, now click on this first option. Now you can see here the search option and you can type something and the font size as well. So let's type something. What is font? So how do you want to appear it in your Word document or whatever type of text? You just have to type it here. For example, if we type here happy birthday, and how we want this to look like, it should look like a little happy, it look like little a kind of dancing and a little stylish, what I say. So here are different types of font. I am just saying it for example, and let's see, I like this one, and you have to select it, click on this, and once you click on this, here are various different types of the letters, glimpse that you glyphs that you can use, and license of this font. So you must see the licenses here. Open font license, you can use it freely in your product and project, print or digital, commercial and otherwise. However, you can't sell the fonts on your own. This is not legal advice. Please consider consulting a lawyer, or but you can use them in your print document. And here you can click on download family. Whatever font you have selected, just click on download family and you will be able to download it. Once it's downloaded in a zip folder, now you have to open that folder. Once you have to open that folder in WinRAR or in File Explorer, click on OK, and after that double click on the font. Now you can see here the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. It's a typeface. So just click on install. Once it is installed, we have to remember that it's Abril fat face. So let's select this text and click on Abril fat face. So now you can see that we can use the Google Fonts and we can install Google Fonts in computer and we can use them in Word document. You can see it here again, and we can also install another type of font. Look like this one. Click on this and then click on download. It's so easy. And when this file is zip folder is downloaded, open it and double click on the .ttf file. You have to remember that .ttf file, you can say true type of fonts, and then you can click on install. Now after that, it's the font name here and you have to type the same name here like this, but before that you have to select your text. So this is the way you can use Google Font in Microsoft Word. Thank you.